GoTo Resolve is a powerful remote IT assistance tool designed to make troubleshooting and support tasks smoother and more efficient. If you're looking for a reliable solution for remote IT support, this software might just be what you're looking for. But is it the best tool out there? Stick around as we dive into the details and give you an honest breakdown of its pros and cons. First, let's talk about ease of use. GoTo Resolve offers a pretty straightforward interface. It's easy to get started, even if you're not super tech-savvy. The platform's design is intuitive, so you don't have to spend too much time navigating through complicated menus. That's a plus if you're managing remote teams or providing IT assistance remotely. But here's the catch: while the interface is easy, it doesn't always feel as responsive or snappy as some other tools out there. It's a little sluggish in certain cases, which could slow down your workflow. Next thing, let's talk about features. GoTo Resolve has a solid range of tools for IT support. It offers remote desktop access, file transfer, and system diagnostics, which can be really handy when troubleshooting. However, if you need more advanced capabilities like multi-session support or detailed reporting, you might find GoTo Resolve a bit lacking. These features are available but are often hidden behind more expensive pricing tiers. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with comprehensive features, you might want to consider other solutions. The third thing is the pricing. GoTo Resolve isn't exactly cheap, especially if you're looking for the premium features. The base price might seem reasonable for small teams, but once you start adding more advanced features like session recording or enhanced security, the price quickly adds up. When compared to alternatives in the market such as TeamViewer or AnyDesk, GoTo Resolve might not be the most cost-effective option. TeamViewer, for example, offers more for a similar price, especially when it comes to advanced features like multi-user sessions and remote mobile support. The fourth thing, and one of the most important aspects, is customer support. GoTo Resolve provides support through its help desk and email systems, but it's not always as responsive as you might hope. If you're relying on remote IT assistance for critical systems, you want fast and effective support. Unfortunately, GoTo Resolve doesn't always deliver in this area, and response times can be slower compared to competitors like Zoho Assist or ConnectWise Control. It's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a solution that provides 24/7 high-quality support. Now, for the most important part, the alternatives. While GoTo Resolve is a solid option, it's not the only one. We've got a few alternatives that might be more suitable depending on your needs. First, consider TeamViewer, which tends to offer better features for businesses with more complex IT environments. It's a bit pricier, but offers more flexibility. Then there's AnyDesk, which delivers smoother performance and is more cost-effective for teams with tight budgets. Both of these alternatives excel where GoTo Resolve might fall short, especially when it comes to advanced features and customer support. And here's the exciting part. If you're still interested in GoTo Resolve, we've got you covered. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, allowing you to test all its features without commitment. But we also encourage you to check out those better alternatives that come with free trials as well, so you can find the best solution for your IT assistance needs. So, whether you choose GoTo Resolve or one of the alternatives, make sure you use our link for the best free trials and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Take advantage of the options available and make sure you're equipped with the right tools to handle your remote IT support efficiently.